Hey viewers, today we have Choro-Q number 81. It's a Toyota Starlet, and it's green. I like it. I actually have a 1/64 scale version of this, which I'll show a little later. This thing is from 2003, and it's brand new. Yeah, never been opened. Okay. So I did talk about this car when I reviewed the Konami version of this, the one that actually looks like a real car, not a cartoon. So I'm not gonna really talk about this car in this video here. Let's get this stuff out of here. Alright, let's just see what came over from the real car to a cartoon. I gotta say, that actually looks pretty close. You know, the Starlet being a small car in the first place, this cartoon version doesn't even... Well, it's definitely like a cartoon, but it's not as drastic as, say, a big sedan. And this thing seems to have some stamped steel wheels on it. Not quite like those, but still. Alright, let's see. These steel wheels here are, you know, I've seen them many times before on other ChoroQs, so they're not exact to a Starlet. Okay, so this is lime green. It's not metallic or anything like that. I think my camera's showing it as like a more dark, richer green. It's much lighter in real life, I think. Alright, an S is emblazoned there. Nice texture in the grille, silver lights, but the black surround is nice. Unfortunately, no paint there on those lights or in this radiator vent there. Blank license plate. Yeah, smoked glass. You can see the motor a little bit right there. Also, rib texture there. This side, you got the door handle, indication of a marker, but no paint. But we do have some red for the taillights, so that's nice. Tells you what the car is, that's good. I assume that's the actual text that was on the real car. Yeah, that's smoked. You can see the axles down there. Okay, so that's the bottom, standard bottom. The 03 there tells you when it's made if you don't have the packaging. I'm gonna leave it alone today. No wheel swap. The stance is actually pretty good. The stance looks right. It's actually lower than the real car, so this is almost looks like a modified Starlet versus the real photograph. I'm not noticing the black paint on this bumper. Oh, it is casted in. I thought for a second it might be a separate piece, but I think it's the same piece of plastic. Am I wrong? No, it's the same piece of plastic. Little exhaust here, but still the same clear as the base there. I like how the clear base will let you see the motor spin. Alright, so let's compare it to a couple other models, in particular that Konami. Alright, let's get that set up. Alright, so here's the Konami. It's a great model. Comes with this tan interior. And the green's a little darker on the Konami than the toy version here. And the Starlet in real life is quite small. Henceforth, it looks like this. In fact, here's a TLV Nissan Gloria, an older version. So you can see, the Starlet's a small economy car. Okay, but ChoroQs are generally all the same size, so let's start pulling some of these ChoroQs out. So a Nissan Sunny Coupe here. It's got some 3D printed wheels on it. This next one is a Mitsubishi Lancer 1600 GSR, and 3D printed wheels on that one. And the last one is a Honda City Turbo 2. Just the stock wheels from ChoroQ on that one. They're pretty funky. I like them, so I left that one alone. Alright, let's go to the top view here. Yeah, that Honda City Turbo actually looks big. I'm not sure if it's an illusion with the wide body kit, or if it's literally bigger than the other ones. And actually, I think it is a little bit bigger than the other ones. Not much. Okay. Well, let's get this out of the way. Let this guy spin on its own, get its own little bit of glory here. And if this thing's green, I gotta pull out this alien and keep it from rolling off. Alright, so another case where I'm reliving my collecting by going to a cartoon form. Alright, so I'm happy to have this one, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.